Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In this video, we're going to be installing the Hammerhead Designs shifter. I had a Hammerhead on my beta, and I loved it. So, and I have a size 13 foot, so I just like having a larger shifter, longer shifter. So this is the part number. It's the boot size 13. Blue, of course, bendable, which is nice. You guys know how to install shifters, so I'm not going to show how to install it. I'm just going to cut right to the ending just to show you guys what it looks like. So here's the after of the Hammerhead shift lever. Look at this beauty. Look at that. This is the size 13 boot shift lever in blue, of course. You can get it in black or in blue. Of course, I did blue. You've got this beautiful machining here. If you look over there, how nice that looks on the bike. It's just gorgeous. Installation, very straightforward. You have a T30 here. You back this out. There's a little bit of like a sunken fibrous kind of washer in here that you want to make sure stays intact. And then you just replace that and torque back to spec. And that's it. No other lines. There on my GS, the shifter has a little thing for the shift assist. This doesn't have that. The quick shifter is built into the case. And on my beta, there was something else I had to do with it. Oh, it was the old school dual sport thing where you have kind of the screw coming off the side. This is literally just this holding it in with a little soft piece behind there. Very easy to install. I like that Hammerhead is now asking you for your boot size when you order. And so they basically measured that distance between the peg and the foot peg. Now, one other thing, I know this looks a little bit different than the last shot, is because I shot all the pre-roll and then I came back and shot after everything was installed. So it's like, oh, wow, is this the same bike? It is the same bike. It's just prettier. Yeah, I don't think, I love how this bends too. I don't think this is going to have any issues at all. If I hit something, it's going to bend in pretty nicely. I mean, it's not going to, it's a really thick tip. They do offer a kind of a rubberized version, but I like this when it gets all muddy. I like this, this grippiness. It's hollow inside for weight savings. Also, you could possibly even put an extender in there if you wanted to. But yeah, Hammerhead makes great stuff. This was $85 from Rottweiler, and highly recommended, especially getting a shifter that fits your foot size. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Ride safe.